Hello Cinegear fam and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that has been a game changer for content creators everywhere, ChatGPT. If you're wondering how you can harness the power of AI to elevate your video content, you're in the right place. Stick around because I've got 5 fantastic ways that you can use ChatGPT to take your videos to the next level. Alright, let's kick things off with our first way to use ChatGPT. Number 1, script and idea generation. Picture this, you're staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with your next video idea or script. Well, ChatGPT can be your creative sidekick. Just feed it a prompt or a brief description of your video and watch as it generates awesome ideas and even helps you craft compelling scripts. Now let's go to the second way, video editing assistance. Editing can be a time-consuming task, but ChatGPT can make it a breeze. It can help you create captions, subtitles, video keywords, and video descriptions. By providing a brief summary of your video, it'll generate text that can be added for accessibility, SEO, and all around a better viewer experience. Number 3, catchy titles and thumbnails. You know how important it is to grab your audience's attention, right? Well, ChatGPT can suggest catchy video titles and thumbnail descriptions for your videos. Just tell it about the video's content. It'll provide you ideas that'll make your video stand out in the YouTube jungle. Number 4, audience engagement and comments moderation. Your viewers are the heart of your channel, and ChatGPT can help you connect with them better. It can assist in responding to comments, filter, moderate them, and maintain a friendly and engaging community right here on your channel. Before we tell you number 5, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of content about cinema, video creating, ChatGPT, and a little bit of everything in between. Number 5 is email. Sometimes coming up with the right words to say for an email, trying to figure out what audience you're trying to reach. Is it a marketer? Is it someone you want to collaborate with? Tell ChatGPT, hey, I want you to write me a 100-word email that conveys this message to this brand saying why you should work with me. And ChatGPT will help you list out your credibility and make a nice personal email. Copywriting in general, ChatGPT is fantastic at. Just make sure you give it the proper tone that you want it to use because it's really good at being formal, personal, but you kind of have to distinguish that tone. Otherwise, it'll just give you whatever it wants. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic ways video creators like you can make the most of ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool that can help you save time, engage your audience, and take your content to new heights. ChatGPT is an amazing resource. Your unique creativity and your voice are what truly makes your channel special. So use it wisely and let it complement your artistic vision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more awesome content from Cinegear. And of course, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with ChatGPT, leave a comment below because I can't wait to hear from all of you. But until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep telling your unique stories. And maybe let ChatGPT just get a lot of the busy work done. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the next video.